2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, trip computer, MP3 capability, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, HD radio, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.